Good afternoon and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen, in actuality, my office. I'm coming to you now because I want to talk about the cookbook auction that's going to be happening on August 12th, which is Monday. This is what I'm calling the working copy of my cookbook, which is now in ebook form and soon to be, because it is finished, as a paperback. This is a complete working copy. All the recipes are in here. There's mistakes, but because of some wonderful people, wonderful friends, and acquaintances and members of Casual Chef, I've been able to fix those mistakes that are that will be fixed. That's right. They are fixed in the paperback, but all the recipes are whole in here. This book is signed. Oops, by me. I said this is a one of a kind. This is the only one. I printed this here in my office. It's not even it's actually all single-sided, but this helped me put together the paperback, which will help me put, knowing what I know now, will help me put the hardback together. So, and I had it spiral bound over at Staples. I have had many things spiral bound at Staples, scripts and whatnot, and they do a wonderful job for me. But this is my first cookbook, and I'm auctioning this off because I'm trying to raise money for a project or a charity near and dear to my heart, which is Project Semicolon. Project Semicolon is a nonprofit organization that helps people with mental illness. They're an advocacy group. They deal with people in Washington, D.C. and the states. They are big supporters in helping people with mental illness, like me. If you've read the foreword, you've read the about the author, you know that this cookbook came from it started in a very dark place in my life. So this is why I'm trying and want to raise money by auctioning off this wonderful piece. So I will post the rules for the auction in the next day or two. And then again, I will post them with the auction itself on August 12th. The auction will start on August 12th at 8 a.m. Pacific time and will end Wednesday, August 14th at 5 p.m. The rules will explain how this auction works and how things are to be taken care of. I'm not going to go into it here. So keep an eye out for the auction and for the rules and the notes and so forth. It's only happening here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Okay? So if you're not a member of the Casual Chef's Kitchen and you would like to bid on this working copy of my cookbook, Recipes Are Just Guidelines, then I would suggest that you join the group. It's free. It's public. All right. As I always say, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.